In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for real estate sales 2025 step by step. We'll start by shaping HubSpot to fit a real estate workflow. After you sign in, head to Settings and customize the essentials. Build a deal pipeline specifically for property sales and update your contact properties so every lead captures the right details like budget range, preferred location, and property type such as condo, house, or lot. These fields make it effortless to qualify leads and match them to the right listings. Next, add your leads. Go to Contacts and select Create Contact. Enter the basics, name, email, and phone, and tag each person as a buyer or a seller. Segmenting early pays off later when you filter lists, personalize outreach, and report on performance by client type. Now set up a clear real estate focused pipeline. Navigate to sales, then deals, then pipelines. Add stages that mirror your sales process. New inquiry, qualified buyer or seller, property viewing scheduled, offer made, negotiation, and closed won or closed lost. Keeping these stages aligned with your day-to-day steps makes your pipeline a true command center. Create a deal for each active client opportunity. Open the contact, choose Create Deal, and fill in the deal name, ideally using the client and property, along with the deal value, the target close date, and the current pipeline stage. Consistent naming helps you search and report quickly. To track property listings, you can represent each listing as a deal, or if available in your plan, create a custom object. Store key details like price, location, size, and status, available or sold, so your team always has an accurate inventory view inside the CRM. Keep momentum with scheduled activities. Log calls, set meetings for property tours, and assign follow-up tasks. When you schedule a viewing, move the deal to the next stage and add notes so nothing slips through the cracks. Automate communication to scale your touchpoints. Use email templates for property offers, follow-ups, and appointment confirmations. Then add workflows to send a welcome email when a new lead arrives or a follow-up message after a viewing. Personalization tokens keep automation feeling human. Measure what matters in reports and dashboards. Track total sales, conversion rates, deals by stage, and agent performance. Regularly review these insights to spot bottlenecks and replicate what's working. As deals progress, drag them across stages from inquiry to viewing, offer, and closing. This simple habit keeps your pipeline clean and your forecast reliable. When the outcome is clear, mark the deal as closed won or closed lost and record final details like the sale price and commission. Accurate close data strengthens your future reporting and forecasting.